All right, guys, what is up? Evan Aldo here. So, in the exclusive Discord, had a first loss in a while yesterday. A little ETH long was stopped out, trying to re-enter a little bit too early. Oh well, that's okay. Can't win them all. But entering a kind of risky FOMO long on Bitcoin this morning, was patient with it, just locked in some profits. This might be able to become a nice swing long. Next place I'm looking to take profits is 39K. If you want to check out the exclusive Discord, link in the description below. Do some, you see my exclusive TA, entry points, stop losses, take profits on all that type of stuff, and some TA and stocks. Might add in a little bit of TA on Forex as well. Moving forward, all this using Market Cipher. And so let's get right into it. So, it looks good. It generally looks good. It looks like we're keeping our macro bull market support at this linear spider line, which remains right now at high 34s. If we could stay above that level, we're going to be okay here. And VWAP coming up on the weekly, that's looking good. I think we definitely have a chance to do something like this. We definitely got a chance to have a nice run up into the summer. Definitely possible. If not, we'll probably toy around at these levels. And I know a lot of people are talking about, 20K, 15K, 0, 1K, negative 10,000. Look, those numbers aren't too likely. The big whales, the big belugas, they bought this at the low 30s. It's rare they go under. And I'm not talking about, I'm talking about the big whales like Elon Musk, Carl Icahn, like big people putting billions of dollars in this. They bought at low 30Ks. It's unlikely for it to really go under those levels. Unless there's a black swan event. Not saying it can't happen. Anything could happen. We could go, we could go very low. But based on what I'm seeing, I don't think it's going to happen. Going on to your RSI turning green on your 2 day. So what happened the last time we turned green? This was over the summer. We basically hit our bottom at that point. We came back down, we came back down to low 29. So we didn't come back down to high 28s. We had hit our bottom by the time that happened. So this is indicative that we could hit the bottom here. So that's another reason why I'm bullish. Another reason why, why I'm been mainly looking for longs now. And yeah, going into this, your RSI is down, kind of similar to over here. We could come up. We could come up a lot. This could theoretically bring us up to, I've been talking about, I know people go crazy when I say this number, 80K in the summer is possible. If you map it out, the same trajectory we had here, that's maybe the new pattern that this cycle will form. Moving forward onto some of our lower time frames. Look at this nice little trigger wave on the 8 hour. This is a rare bullish signal. Look at this. I like this. I like this. Well, this doesn't happen too often. I mean, when's the last time we had I'd have to go way back. Maybe something like here. We just came down more. But we had already hit our bottom. We had already hit our bottom by that point. We came down again and then came back up. So there are a lot of signs we hit the bottom here. There are a lot of very bullish signs here. Look at the curvature on their 4 hour right here. This little trigger wave didn't work out. Usually the next time it happens, I think this one could bring us up a lot. Where could this bring us up to? It's probably the same percentage that we came down to here, which I was talking about before, about 23% or something. It's happening right here, 23%. I know it's a big jump, but these things move quickly. 46K could be in the cards. When could that happen? Let's map it out. Let's map it out. Maybe, February, early February, next few weeks or something. 46K could be in the cards here. We got to be careful though. That's why I took some profits at this big fib level right here. Could be getting a divergence on our 30 minutes. So some of these lower time frames may take us down a little bit. That's the bearish case. Curvature in the 15-minute, you could come down a little bit. Wouldn't surprise me, but we could just break out and come up there. So that's one possibility. Ethereum, similar. So this is the main spiral line we're looking at right here. Kind of an important level, I would say, around 2,400. We've been generally keeping it. This was our low over here. Could be the bottom. Definitely could be the bottom. Ethereum on the 2 day, same type of deal. Same exact as Bitcoin. Don't want to borrow you too much. Turning into the green here. Last time this happened, we turned into the green. We came up a lot more. Look at that. What happened here? So these RSIs are big. These RSIs are big. Moving on to our daily. Look at this. It looks very similar to how it looked over the summer to come up more. Not saying we're definitely going to come up. Anything could happen, but it does seem like this point could be acting as support. Make it a nice bullish divergence on our 8 hour. Let's look at our 4 hour. Same deal. Getting very, very, very close to printing a nice green dot on our 4 hour. So that is looking good. I like what I'm seeing here. Nice little green dot here as well. So let's see if we come into the green on our 4 hour, where this could generally take us to. It would be the same general, difference, about 30%. This is what I've been talking about the other day. It's been a more boring market the last day or two. 30%, around 31, 3,200, maybe even 3,300 we could pump up. When could that happen? Let's see here. Next few weeks or something. So February is normally a better month for crypto. And almost, I think every time in history, when January was red, the February was green. Don't bet the farm on that, obviously. I think it happened, but it's never financial advice. But that's a good sign. There are some very bullish signs. I think this is a great, in my humble opinion, I think this is a great buying opportunity. You don't need to know exactly what's going to happen to make money trading, obviously. But I'm confident we can come up here unless some crazy news comes out. There's the FUD with the U.S. regulatory thing with Biden and everything. Regulation could bring this even higher because that would make some of the hesitant older people put some money in because it's more regulated. They think it's more secure, so that type of thing. Maybe put more money into the ETFs. Buy the dip, buy the dip. We are down a lot. Last thing I want to look at is Avalanche right here, and Avalanche is looking very good. The thing is, it looks like we're bouncing off of a major level, kind of hit off of it. I've been just mainly buying this on a spot mainly, but I should probably put some leverage on this. Just been happy with the other trades I've been in. But yeah, same type of deal. About to print that little trigger wave there. Your daily RSI is very low, kind of how they were over here. And your 12-hour starting to curve up, very low RSIs, so kind of back how they were here. And what really looks probably the best, 4-hour, good curvature. And some of your lower time frames into the green there. Look at these momentum waves just coming up. May get some momentum waves here. And this level could definitely be in the cards. That level up here could definitely be in the cards. Avalanche is a really good project, I think. More of the bearish case, you got money flow, momentum waves coming down to lower time frames, but I think we will generally hold this general level. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the content, I put a lot of effort into this. It means a lot, guys. And check out my exclusive Discord if you want to see some of my trades, like I showed you guys earlier. Check out my trading course too, 16% off. There's a discount code below, evanaldo.com. If you want to get Market Cipher, my link in the description below. There are some great deals going on BITGET and FEMEXC. If you want to do some leverage trade or even spot trade on those platforms, check out my links below to get those deals. Never going to link you to anything that I don't personally use or I don't benefit from. All right, guys, have a good one. Goodbye.